Alrighty guys, today we're going to be making a trail in the rain. This is part 1. Alright guys, so this is basically the start of the trail. Probably might have to widen this. And we've been working on it a little bit already. This is going to be for our rock crawling area. Basically, it just goes straight. And yeah, we've done some work on this already. And then this is a little jump we're working on. We're going to relocate that. And then we're going to go down this way. Haven't really worked on this at all. We're going to go around, come back down this, so you can go flying through this patch all the way down there. And yeah, as you can see, we've gotten work. We weed-whacked it first, then we mowed it, cleaned out some branches, and now we just have to rake this for eternity. And then, yeah, there's another branch up here, which I'll film Blake taking out.
Yeah, I'll take it out for you. No problemo. We're gonna be going down there too.
Yeah, we're gonna have for pit bikes. We're gonna have some random like Crazy 8 situation going on here too. Blake, that was a complete failure. Blake's in Crocs over here, guys.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, I'm smart. I'm wearing boots right now.
I'm not. Because I'm wearing freaking Crocs.
So, if you guys can't tell, past Blake, the trail goes on a little further. So, but the trail is going to go on to here, guys. You still have to mow this and make it a little wider. And then, oh, there's my weed whacker line. Ran out of weed whacker line yesterday, so I stopped. Started using the mower. And then somewhere around here, I got to weed whack this so we can make sure there's no branches that we run over with the push mower, even though our blades are absolutely terrible already. We're gonna go down here and around, like we're gonna be going in that direction from here, and then go flying out that way. Hopefully we can bomb it. There's Blake, still working. Let's pick up the branches so we can mow this. So guys, Blake just got a thorn in his foot.
Because I'm wearing Crocs. You'll never wear Crocs while you're working. I'm never doing this again.
Guys, this is why you should invest in a pair of boots. But speaking of, I'm going to start raking this again. And we're going to rake it. Then we're going to mow over it again. Probably on a lower setting. Really get everything. And then, guys, Blake is dying over here, but I'm not helping him. So, then we're going to rake this, mow it over again, tamp the whole thing so hopefully it never grows any weeds. And try and cut down all of this so this area gets a lot of sunlight. Kind of what we want, actually, surprisingly. And we don't really want a lot of bugs.
Take out all the thorns.
Guys, he got the thorns out, now he's mad. Alrighty, guys, I was working, then Blake decided to start push mowing his duty here. As you can see, this thing is pretty wide, actually, so I don't know. I also don't know what is happening with Blake here. He's dying after he got the thorn in his foot. Blake, it doesn't need to be wider. Guys, Blake's making it even wider. What is happening? This is absurd. Blake, it doesn't have to be wider. Alright, let's go, Blake. Guys, look how good this already looks. Blake, look, it goes to the right.
What?
But I haven't checked that area, so just turn back around.
You know what you haven't checked? The stupid thorns.
Guys, Blake is still over here freaking out about it. Guys, it took Blake like 5 other pulls before that. Just saying. Alright, we're turning around. Oh, shoot. That doesn't sound good. Turn around. Guys, I was getting a perfect shot, and then Blake is complaining that there's a stick.
Yeah. A stick.
And it's starting to actually rain. You guys can't see it. It looks like a clear sky.
Doesn't matter.
Let me get back to my good shot, Blake.
Still work, Spencer. We still work.
We always work. Guys, seriously, this kid sucks.
What? You want me to get a good shot? So I'm gonna give you a good shot.
All right, let's get a good shot of you running this over.
Not when big sticks get in my way. Oh Lord.
Oh yeah. Trying to get this branch down. That should be it for mowing.
Yeah. I gotta mow it out now.
You don't.
You do.
You don't.
I already started it.
It doesn't matter. There's literally a tree right there, so there's no point. I'm just gonna let it grow. I'm not gonna maintain it. There's a spider. Guys, but do you see how bad this ground is? I have to rake all of this, and then Blake's gonna mow it again on a lower, probably not a lower setting.
No, I'm just gonna mow it again so I know I get everything.
No, you're not. After we rake it.
Yeah, after we rake
We forgot to end the video, but that's all for day 1. We're probably just gonna do this every single day. Some days it will be live streams. Some days it will just be normal videos. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and peace out.